Hello, Dr. A.D. Kemp, the Hammond Doc. Have this Leslie 57 on the desk, and let me show you what I just finished doing. I just completed replacing the replacement, that is, of this 0.1 microfarad coupling capacitor. So it's now properly installed in the circuit, and I'm ready to test this amplifier in a Leslie cabinet and to see if having changed out that coupling capacitor, there is going to be a difference in the playing of this amplifier. I'm thinking that it's going to sound better. And now there are some resistors in here that I did not change, did not replace. I tested those, and they all tested within limits. And so for right now, I'm going to leave those in. Let's see what this amplifier sounds like. So I'm going to run it into the organ room, and we're going to put the power to it and live test it and see what happens. All right, until then, peace out.